Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 9, Lesson 9. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve inequalities using addition and subtraction and be able to show it by graphing it too. All right, so here we go. First off, we have to solve this. To do that, remember we do the inverse operation. So instead of subtracting, we're adding 5 to both sides. Okay, so that's going to get me x minus 5 and adding 5 are the opposite, makes it 0, is greater than or equal to 2 plus 5 is 7. So again, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 5, 4. Okay, greater than or equal to, so we're going to put a closed circle, and greater than goes this way. See, it's pointing this way. All right, so here we have addition. Let's subtract instead. Minus 9 minus 9. K is less than 13 minus 9 is 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, right? We start with the open circle, and less than goes to the left. Okay, 16 is greater than p plus 7. So let's subtract 7 and subtract 7. 16 minus 7 is 9, is greater than p. So let's start here. 9, 10, 11, and 12, 8, 7, 6. Okay, greater than, so open circle, goes to the right. Y minus 9 is less than or equal to 8, so we're going to add 9. So y is less than or equal to 17. So 17, 18, 19, 20. Count backwards, 16, 15, 14. Okay, less than and equal to, so close circle. Less than goes to the left. Great job. All right, I want you to pause the video and I want you to solve these inequalities and also graph these four, and then come back and see if you got them correct. So for number 5, you should have subtracted 13 from each side. You should have said A is greater than 11. You should have put 11 here, 12, 13, 14, 10, 9, 8. It's greater than, so we've got an open circle, greater than goes to the right. Okay, adding 14 for number 6, adding 14. 9 plus 14 is 23, is less than or equal to r. So let's start 23, 24, 25, 26, 22, 21, and 20. All right, less than and equal, so I got to start with a closed circle, and then less than to the left. All right, subtracting 6, because we were adding 6. Subtracting 6, that gives me 8 is greater than n. That's a bad n. Let me rewrite that n. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11. Go back. 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, greater than, so open circle. Greater than goes to the right. C minus 1, so we're going to add 1 to each side. So C is less than or equal to 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 0, negative 1. Okay, less than and equal to, so close circle. Less than goes to the left. Great job. You are done with Unit 9, Lesson 9. Go ahead and head back to class craft, and I will see you back here for Lesson 10.